Okay, here we're in Chicago visiting my parents, and we're looking out over the lake. We've had 3 days of really hot weather, sort of 95 and humid. So now we're looking out over the lake. There's been a storm coming all day, and you can see the lightning over the lake. Please be lightning. There you go. Do you see one blink? More. Sailboat out here. Probably wants to take a dance with the devil. There's the rain here. Just missed like 4 great lightning bolts. Here is downtown. That's pretty cool. And as always, the traveling companion getting in the middle of every video I ever take. And her hair is causing most of the lightning, that's for sure. Hopefully we won't get hit by the lightning. There's another fellow who came out to video with us. I'll give you my YouTube channel later.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You got some good stuff?
Not really, but it's my channel.
I've recorded it, recorded thunder, but I've never gotten a good shot of lightning.
Yeah, that's difficult to catch.
I actually came out here because I thought the cloud cover would make a great sunset.
Yeah. Just when I start taking the video, the lightning stops dancing. Seems, there we go. Yeah, we tend to stay away from volcanoes.
Oh, you should try it sometime.
The ash, actually, I heard, causes all the lightning and stuff to...
This is a very timid volcano. It erupted like 10 years before there were still lava flows.
Yeah.
They were really hard to shoot for me because I didn't have a good camera.
All right. Put your link on the, if you have a website, put your link on my YouTube page. I'll trade emails with you afterwards.
Sure.
Oh, that was
Oh, gee.
Man. Everyone be quiet. You can't swear on my YouTube channel. It's for women, and children.
Again, I don't know what I'm doing. There we go.
There's the thunder.
There we go.
Yeah. I hope that guy on that boat wakes up from his nap pretty soon.
He's drunk.
Yeah. Or that.
Oh.
Nice one.
Oh,
Did you miss it?
I missed it. I need to get in so we can look
Okay, for the sake of this video, I'm going to stop filming, but here's another shot of Chicago.